I don't
Anyway,
think I've seen it.
yeah. Anyway, that's the movie is about. The storyline is about a Lagos girl, a Lagos girl who was raised in Lagos, who went one time back to her hometown in Anambra State. I don't know the village, but maybe in Onisha. Onisha is not a village, by the way. She went to her hometown in Anambra State for a wedding ceremony. So she for her cousin's wedding ceremony. So after the wedding, this Igbo guy saw her and fell in love with her or wanted to marry her and all that. And he went straight up to her and told her, Asa, you are going to be my wife. It was very funny. He was a very funny character and he kept wooing the lady from the very onset that they met. He kept wooing her until the very end of the movie, where they ultimately, got engaged and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much what the movie,
A
the
typical
storyline is.
Nigerian storyline, really.
It is a good Nigerian storyline. There were a little bit of suspense here and there, and obviously very comical. So my review here, obviously, is the storyline was great. It's something that Nigerians, like you said, it's a good Nigerian storyline. They had some suspense. They had some comic. The Igbo guy whose name was Obiora, the character, his character was Obiora on the movie, but his name is Uzo Arukwe. And the lady who her name was Choma, her name is Bam Bam. And I think we discussed this off before we started talking.